Hey guys, Scotty here with another quick unboxing video for you today. This one I'm very excited about. It's the Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed gaming mouse. This mouse features up to 16,000 dpi with the Razer 5G sensor, Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz connectivity, mechanical switches rated up to 50 million clicks, 6 programmable buttons through the Razer Synapses software, and 5 configurable DPI settings ranging from 500 to 16,000. The Basilisk weighs in at 83 grams without the battery. Not the lightest mouse on the market, but neither is it overly heavy. It takes one AA battery included and boasts up to 450 hours of battery life. There is no USB connectivity included, so no built-in recharge if you were to put in a rechargeable battery, and no option to use it wired. The DPI settings are stored on the mouse itself, so if you were changing between PC and a laptop, your settings will come with you. So, what's in the box? We have a small note from Razer, the user manual, a couple of Razer logo stickers, a AA battery, and the mouse itself. Looking around the mouse, it has a sleek but pointed design, Razer stock feet on the underside, and 2 rubberized grip panels on either side. Removing the rear panel, which is held on with 3 magnets, we have the USB dongle for 2.4 GHz and the battery compartment. There is no RGB on the Basilisk, but being a wireless mouse it would just drain the battery life. This comes with a 2-year warranty and is priced around the £60 mark off the shelf, but may be found cheaper on Amazon. Having a look through the Razer Synapses software, all the mouse buttons are configurable and different profiles can be set depending on what game you will be playing. The DPI and polling rate settings can be configured on a profile basis as well. The mouse can be further calibrated by what surface it will be used on. And finally, the power options for sleep.